how to be more patient. Hi, my name is Martha. I'm a clinical sexologist with a doctorate in human sexuality, and I'm from Eros Coaching. One of the things that I was told growing up was that I was a very impatient person, and I consciously went out of my way to do things that made me become more patient. One of the things that I really liked doing was jigsaw puzzles. I also like doing cross stitch, and I like doing crafts like sewing. And these things help me to be more patient. And one of the things that also helped me to be more patient was to develop more compassion. I didn't realize this. I had picked up a lot of anger and resentment and negative emotions, and I couldn't process it. And later on, I learned how to do emotional release. That helped a lot. But in the meantime, one of the things that helped me to be more patient was to develop more compassion. And compassion is something in which you start to be able to put yourself in the shoes of other people and to recognize their lives for being challenging, difficult, and to empathize with them for the suffering and pain that they must be going through. And in having more compassion for people, I also learned to be more patient. And if you are a very impatient person and you don't have much empathy for people, one of the things that can help you is meditation. Meditation doesn't mean just sitting in silence and being completely bored out of your mind. Meditation can take many different forms. There's a creative visualization when it comes to meditation. By that, it means having certain imagery. You can also look at objects that inspires you, such qualities such as beauty, joy, kindness. And you, for instance, you could look at a beautiful painting and just keep feeling into it. So feeling into it, opening up your heart and really absorbing the essence of that painting, for instance. That's a visual kind of meditation. You can also look at a candle and the passing of the time and looking at the flame is something that can be quite hypnotic as well. And so there are many different ways to do meditation. There's also movement meditation that involves such as walking. There's also dance meditation. And so these meditations allow us to be much more present within ourselves and to notice what we're feeling and to let it go. Because whatever it is that we feel does change, sometimes minute by minute or second by second. And so all these things that helps you to be more patient with yourself will allow you to be more patient with people. So these are my thoughts with regards to the question of how can you be more patient with yourself. And I'd love to hear from you. Please drop me a comment. And also you can email me at ask@eroscoaching.com. There I'm answering all kinds of questions relating to love, sex, and everything in between.